Hi everyone, today I'm going to be telling you about this multifunctional 3-in-1 travel potty for toddlers by Bray Kids. I like this because the packaging has the instructions right on the outside for you. Very easy to use, no assembly required, and no tools necessary. Very simple, basic steps to put this potty together. Let's open it up and take a look and see what's inside. It comes with this very cute travel backpack. I like the zipper function here. You can put some wipes in here or some toilet tissue and other potty training necessities. These are the drawstrings that tighten the backpack. They also serve as the straps to carry on your shoulders. I like this water-resistant material, and it's actually very thick. It's a good, sturdy, strong material. The material is actually a really good, sturdy polyester, 100% polyester. I like this. I would use this even for not having a potty in it. Let's take a look and see what the potty looks like. I think the backpack is just so cute, and it's so lightweight, and it's pretty deep. You can fit a lot of different items in here, including the potty itself, if you want to bring wipes or cleanup materials. And then simply pull the string tight, and then put the straps on your shoulders. Very cute. Here's the potty itself. It basically has 3 parts: the potty seat ring, the inside bowl itself, and then the toilet part with the legs on it. So let me show you how it works. This is the seat topper, and if you'll notice, it has a nice, convenient spray guard here to prevent those spray messes. And here you have the toilet bowl itself, which is easy to collapse or open. And it actually opens even deeper if necessary. And it's just easy to remove for quick cleanups. Here you have the legs on the bottom. They each have these grippy anti-slip silicone feet to keep the toilet sturdy and safe and to keep it from sliding around. You just pull up the legs and snap them into place. And then your bowl just goes inside. Very convenient to take in the car with you for outings, errands, going to the playground, the beach, shopping, travel, and road trips. Your toddler can use the potty directly into the potty bowl, or you can place a disposable plastic bag or even a trash bag would work for this. When your toddler's done using the potty, just take off the seat ring, and you can either dump out the waste by simply dumping out the waste and then cleaning out the bowl with a disinfectant or a wipe or some hot water, or just remove the disposable plastic bag. And when you're all done, everything snaps back together in a compact, tidy little size to be placed back in the car for storage. Another great feature about this 3-in-1 toddler potty is that it can be used on top of a regular adult-sized toilet. Let me show you how that works. You simply flatten the legs and position them in a sideways position and lock them in. So now your 3-in-1 potty can just be placed on top of a toilet seat. Again, these silicone rubber anti-slip grippy feet will keep the potty in place and keep it from sliding around on top of that adult toilet. You will not need the bowl potty for this part, but definitely put on your seat ring with the spray guard on top of the potty for their comfort. Again, when your toddler's done using the potty, simply fold the legs in and put everything together in a compact size for storage. When your toddler's all done using the potty and you're finished cleaning out the bowl, just get your backpack carrying case and your potty can be stored conveniently and you can take it with you on the go. Keep this in the back of the car to bring with you to playdates or to grandma's house or the babysitter or caregiver, daycare, or just keep it in the car to have on hand for those roadside potty emergencies. I really like this 3-in-1 travel potty by Bray Kids, and I think your toddler's going to love this too. Good luck with your potty training.